Today I'm going to be making a vegan creme brulee smoothie. So what I'm going to be using for this recipe is the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein. I've got some frozen banana, however you can use fresh banana if you like, vanilla extract, coconut sugar, almond milk and a handful of ice cubes. And then I've got some maple syrup for the caramel, and I've got some coconut milk which I've frozen in some ice cube trays overnight. So to make this recipe, I'm simply going to add everything into the blender except for the frozen coconut milk and maple syrup. Blend it all until it's nice and smooth, and then I'm going to pour it into a glass, and then I'm going to line it with some maple syrup. And then I'm going to blend the coconut milk ice cubes in the blender until it's nice and smooth, thick and creamy. And then I'll add that onto the top of the smoothie to serve.